In this video, I will show you how you can create your first spreadsheet documents using Apple numbers. Let's see how we can do. At first, we need to open Apple numbers. We can open Apple numbers different ways. The easiest way is to click the spotlight search and start typing numbers, and it will show us the Apple numbers application is there. We just need to click here or hit the return key to open the application, and here you see the numbers is there. If you already have file, you can directly open from here, but I'm going to create a new blank spreadsheet document, so I need to click here, new document. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will give us different types of template to choose. For the time being, I'm going to use very basic template. If we go this section basic, we have different choices. I'm going to use this one, blank, and then I have to hit create button to create our first document, and very shortly it will bring us this thing. Now this is a table. Using this Apple numbers, you can add as many tables as you need from the single file, and these are the sheet. If you want to add more sheet, you can click here, it will give you another sheet, and there are a couple of things you can add inside each sheet. You can add a table like this, you can add a chart, you can also add a text box like that. This is a text box, and you can customize this thing. You can also add some shape like this. You can also add some picture, then some video, some audio, some music, everything you can add. And once you are happy with all the editing or adding all the information, it's time to save. To save this document, we need to click file, and then there is option save. We have to click here, and then we have to tell the location where I want to save. I already have a folder numbers. Here I am going to save it. So suppose this is my first document, so I'm going to type it first doc dot numbers. The extension of numbers file or spreadsheet files is dot numbers, and finally we have to press the save button, and that's it. In this way we can easily create a spreadsheet and save it using Apple numbers.